Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see built-in data types in Python. So let's start with video. In today's video, we are going to see the integer data type, float, string and boolean type of data. So we know that integer type of data means whole value, complete value. Okay, for example, 44, 34, 500. So any whole number when I enter, it is called as a integer. Next data type we are going to see is a float that is given in the form of decimal numbers. For example, the number is given here 45.89 means the number which is given in the form of points is a float value. The next data type we are going to see is a string. And string is nothing but the collection of character. And next data type is a boolean, means this contains values either true or false. So how to use these data types in Python program? So first is the integer type of data. So now suppose I want to print values for both these integer variables, then I can type print and name of that variable. For example, var1. If I execute this program, to execute this program, you have to click on this arrow. If you click in the output window, it shows the value as a 45. It is showing value only 45 because I have written the statement print and value of that variable, that is a var1. Suppose I want to declare another variable, that is a underscore. Suppose I want to declare value for the another variable, that is underscore var, then I will type the statement print underscore var and I will execute the program. Now it shows that in the output window both the print statement are printing the values var1 and var is equal to 70.56, any value you can take here, and I want to print value for that variable. So I will type the statement print var2 and I will click on this execute button. So it will give the output for this statement also, print var2 is 70.56. Now this is a dynamic typing, means when you are typing the values for the variable, at that time only data type is given in Python. No need to separately mention that this is the integer variable or float variable. If you want to print a data type of the variable, then you can use the print statement. For example, I want to print data type for variable 1 and variable 2. Then I can write print type variable 1, variable 2. Now execute this program. Now you can see it is printing the previous values for the variable, that is 45, 45 and 56, that two print statements, as well as it is printing result for the this statement, that is float value it is displaying, and print these two statement var1 and var2. It's a data type. So var1 is an integer type of data and var2 is a float type of data. That data types are given here. This is a variable 1 integer type of data. This is variable 2 float type of data. Now the next data type is a string. Suppose I am typing the variable 3 and in that I am typing one string welcome. Okay. Now similarly I want to print value of that variable, that is variable 3. Also I want to check the data type of that variable. Okay, for some time I will keep this code in a comment. Now these three statements are only executable. So if I run this program, it shows that print the first print statement have a output as a welcome, and next statement have output as it's a data type. It displays the data type of this variable 3. Its a data type is a string, so it is printing str string. If I want to type this uh, string multiple times, at that time I can give a number. For example, I want to type 5 times, so I will give 5 into var3 and run the program. Now you can see this welcome is printed 5 times. By using new line character, you can take it to the next line also, or you can keep some space also by using /t. Now next data type is a boolean data type. Suppose I am taking the next variable 4. Now again I will keep this code in a comment. Next is the variable 4 is equal to, suppose I am giving the value as a true. Again I want to print value of that variable and it's a data type I want to check. So simply I will run this program. Now you can see here value of this fourth variable is true and its a data type is a boolean. So that boolean data type is given here. One more type of data we'll see here, that is a complex data. So for this boolean I will keep in comment and now we'll see the next data type, that is a complex type of data. So complex type of data, for example I am taking the variable 5 is equal to 4 plus 7j, that is imaginary number. Okay, similarly I can print value for this variable and I can print its data type also. Now run the program. Now you can see the value of imaginary number is printed, that is variable 5, and its data type is a complex number, so it is complex is given here. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.